Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I bought from Ulta. So here's the bag. It's been quite a while since I've been to Ulta. I have been buying most of my makeup from Amazon and I need to get out of that habit because I live so close to Ulta. I live about 5 minutes away, so I feel like I'm kind of doing myself a disservice by ordering so much stuff on Amazon. Plus there's a Starbucks right there. So let me start off with the makeup that I bought. I actually already opened this because I'm wearing it on my face right now, and it is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation. This is the Pro Filter foundation. I have used this before a long time ago, but I didn't buy my correct shade, and I finally feel like I have the correct shade this time. This is basically what the bottle looks like. I like how chic it is, and it has a pump, so this is it. And I am in the shade 175. I think there was a name to this color as well, but I don't remember. I really like this foundation because it's super full coverage, and I tend to gravitate more towards that. It's not great for your skin every single day, but on days that I really just want to do full glam on my face, I will tend to go towards more full coverage foundations. The next makeup item I got was this really pretty ColourPop palette. This is the Pretty Please palette. I didn't even open it yet, so let's open. I really enjoy most, if not all, of ColourPop's makeup. I really do like their eyeshadow palettes. I've been buying them for the last few years, and I think that they're a really great affordable makeup brand. So this is what the palette looks like opened. Ooh, it's very pretty. It has some great colors. We have more light, metallic, and shimmery colors. We have some purples, rose golds, and like brownish colors. I think it is such a pretty palette. I'm not going to do swatches of this or anything, because that would be a separate video all on its own. Then up next, I just got an extra eyelash glue. I tend to go for this Kiss brand. This is the Lash Couture super strong strip lash adhesive, and it claims to be 24 hours long. Yeah, 24-hour mega grip. Now, I haven't worn false lashes in quite a bit, but I really want to get back into wearing my falsies because I do think with certain eyeshadow looks, it just pulls everything together. From ColourPop, I also got these two lip colors, and these are the Lip Creme liquid lip colors. So I got this beautiful, I don't know how to describe it, like a mauve-y. This is in the shade Alt Rock. It's coming off a little bit dark in the camera, but it's almost like a berry mauve infusion. I really like it. And then this other one is a little bit more red. Yeah, this is definitely more red with slightly orange undertones, and this is in the color Let's Vogue. Very pretty. I've been really craving more of a dark lip recently, and more of a red lip even. And then I just got another of the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencils. I bought so many of these throughout the years. It's definitely one of my favorite beauty products, especially for eyebrows. I got it in the color Ebony, and I don't really fill it in as thick as I used to. I kind of just fix the tails of my eyebrows because I have such little hair that grows on my eyebrow area. I think we all know what these look like. They're just the classic brow pencils. And then I knew that I needed to pick up some finishing spray. I couldn't really get myself to purchase the Urban Decay setting spray that I've used before. It's really great, but it's just so expensive. So I was browsing the aisles, and I totally forgot that I used to love the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. So I decided to pick it up because I was running low on my other. I was using Makeup Forever setting spray, which was okay. I wasn't in love with it. I'm glad that I got to pick up something that I at least know works. I like to use setting spray on my work days when I know that I'm going to be on my feet and really moving around all day long. I also really like using setting spray when I know I'm going to be on camera, or I know I'm going to, you know, a family event and there's going to be minimal time for me to fix my makeup. And then I also picked up this cute little scrunchie set. This is from Ponytail, the original scrunchie, and it's just a multicolor variety pack of 5 different colors, and they're like the velvety jewel tones. So you have this pretty turquoise, bronzy color, pink, more of this like cinnamon color, and then this almost greenish gold color. Really cute. I use scrunchies all the time. I've got a lot of hair, so I never know when I'm going to be needing a scrunchie. I have a lot of hair, so this is just kind of a necessity for me. And then the very last of my items are skincare products, specifically face masks. I really love sheet masks. I still use other types of face masks, but for the past few years now, I've really been enjoying incorporating these sheet masks to my skincare routine, and I just had to restock. So first we have this ultra smoothing vegan retinol from the Creme shop. And that's basically what it is. It's a retinol mask, and anything with retinol is supposed to be super great for skin, for anti-aging, which is something that I'm always looking to incorporate into my skincare routine. That is definitely something I'm looking forward to trying. Also, I like the feeling of this packaging. It's in a biodegradable pouch, so it's good for the environment. Then also from the Creme shop, I have this cute Hello Kitty Ready to Glow Essence sheet mask. So cute. I may or may not have just purchased this for the packaging because I am a Hello Kitty fanatic. And the back is cute as well, has cute little instructions. The Creme shop has some really great products. I'm a fan. And then I got 2 of these Hello Kitty Wrinkle Warrior Soothing Hydrogel Forehead Patches, which I have never tried, just a straight up forehead patch. I am definitely going to try this. This is the packaging. It's really cute. It's Hello Kitty and a rainbow. And the back, it has green tea, retinol, and vitamin C. It says kick aging right in the wrinkle. And then I got 2 of these Hello Kitty Creme Shop Apple of My Eye Brightening Hydrogel Under Eye Patches, and they're super cute. Again, more Hello Kitty packaging that I'm such a sucker for. And of course it has the directions on the back as always. Hyaluronic acid, collagen, and apple essence. So these are really great in the mornings when I feel like I haven't gotten enough sleep, and I just stick them right under my eyes. And it's also a really great base for makeup, at least that's what I found. And this is another Creme Shop under eye mask. This is another under eye patch from the Creme Shop, and it's the How Do I Look Collagen Retinol Vitamin C eye patch. So that's what this is. The packaging is very adorable as well. I'm such a sucker for adorable packaging. And that is everything. I told you that the bag was definitely bigger than the items that I purchased. I also bought some stuff for my sister, so I didn't include any of that in this haul. Let me know if you've tried anything that I picked up, and if you like it, I would love to know. If you're looking for something else to watch, check out my last video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!